Welcome to my channel Chubby Views. Rabbit Island. Konoshima is a small island in the inland sea of Japan. It is considered to be a part of the city of Takahara, Hiroshima Prefecture. It is accessible by ferry and places of historical interest on the island. It is often called Usagi-shima, that is Rabbit Island, because of the numerous feral rabbits that roam the island. The rabbits are rather tame and will be approaching to the humans. These rabbits came to Rabbit Island was back in 1929 when the army began manufacturing chemical weapons. Rabbits were brought to the island and used to test the effectiveness of the poison gas, according to The Guardian. This gave rise to the belief that workers may have released the captive animals onto the island following the war. You can stay in Rabbit Island. Camping is open for a winter stays, but bear in mind that you are booking an outdoor escape without the usual luxuries of a fully powered home. There are no cages and the rabbits aren't kept as pets. In fact, officials on the island warn people not to pick up or hold the rabbits as they often will struggle to break free. The magical world of bunnies itself is free once you have brought your ferry ticket, which costs you 300 yen for one way to get to the island. It takes approximately 15 minutes to 30 minutes, then you are good to go. Hunting the rabbits is forbidden and dogs and cats are not allowed on the island. Fox Village. Fox Village in Japan is probably the cutest place on earth. Apparently, Japan is covered in magical and irresistibly cute animal sanctuaries. We have heard about the Bunny Island and Cat Island, but there is also a Fox Village where 6 different types of foxes, including the red foxes and the rare silver foxes, romp and play together in a battle for your attention and probably for your food too. This magical oasis of cute foxes is called Zoofox Village and it is located in Japan's Miyagi Prefecture. For 100 yen, visitors are provided with food, but because the foxes are not domesticated, they are cautioned against hand feeding them or bringing small children into the Fox Island. Japan is a home to 2 real-world red fox subspecies, that is the Hokkaido fox and the Japanese red fox. These foxes came to Japan as the Izo red foxes are especially prone to infestation by echinococcus and helminths. These were introduced to Hokkaido via cultured silver foxes from the Aleutian Islands in the modern era. The staffer cautioned that while the foxes may look cute and friendly, they were still wild animals. For an extra 400 yen of extra charge, visitors could pet one of the domesticated foxes and even hold the sleepy animals on their laps. There are different types of foxes including typical red and Arctic foxes, foxes with uncommon coat colors such as silver and platinum foxes and red Arctic fox hybrids. To go to the Fox Village from Tokyo, take the JR Tohoku Shinkansen bullet train all the way to Shiraishi Zoo Station. It would take approximately 1 hour 50 minutes. From Sendai, take bullet train directly to Shiraishi Station. From both Shiraishi Zoo and Shiraishi Station, You will have to take either taxi or bus to reach Fox Village. If you like my video, click the like button, subscribe and click the bell icon to know my new updates.